pinakawalan na ni asawa lahat ng pigeon, guys. So, antayin na lang namin sila na lumabas. Yan
One
na.
flew up there on top. Just
Yep, I
looking.
saw it. So, ayan na, guys. So, chine-check namin kung lalabas ba yan sila. Sobrang laman. So, ayan na yung isa, guys. Ayan. So, pinakawala na namin yun sila.
Trying to figure out how to get in.
Yeah, I know. Call them.
Yep.
Call
there's
her.
one.
Yep, I see it.
Sticking its head out.
Yep. Oh my God. So, we'll see, guys, kung ano, babalik ba yan sila or hindi. Ayan. Yan na yung isa. Nakalabas na yung head, yung isa. So, let's see. Lagay ko yung phone ko dito. Kasi medyo malamig na. My hands is froze. So, ayan na sila, guys. Wala na yung outside na na. The other one is outside na na.
Mm-hmm.
Ay. Wala ka. So, nilabasan namin sila. So, today pala ang final nilang paglabas. Checking around. So, they just come back.
Interesting, huh, honey?
So, they got still food over there?
Yeah. I'm supposed to let them go when they're hungry. That's what I read.
Basta kayo nasa labas na yung dalawa.